and this is Car Wow. Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be ranking my top 5 best car content automotive YouTubers in this space. Yeah. Just know this is all my preference and not any of like the best or I'm trying to rate anybody. No. I'm not trying to rate anybody. But these are my top 5. Yeah, these OBJ top 5 best YouTubers. So car content YouTubers. I want to know, who do you guys spend time watching and try to have the knowledge about cars? Yeah, about cars or supercars or whatever. So number 5 on my list is, drum rolls, supercar blondie. Damn guys, I've been watching this channel for quite a long time now. I would say 20, when you haven't even gotten to this kind of concept of cars, where we haven't gotten to these levels of cars, of supercars or whatever. Yeah, so my beards. Okay, yeah, and I've been watching them. I've been watching their amazing content, even back those days when she does the review herself. Now she have a team of persons who run reviews for them, and that's crazy. Like, you've seen this channel grow to this extent. Whenever their content come out, the adrenaline. I was still very young then. I should be around 17, 18, yeah. So, guys, supercar blondie, and up to this day they still give us this amazing content of concept cars which we haven't seen, luxury houses. They don't only deal on supercars now, they deal on luxury houses, luxury yachts, like expensive things that isn't very common, and they're amazing. But they are my top 5 on this list. And my top 4, the fourth, is Car Wow. Yeah, and you guys know I use them a lot in basically a lot of my videos. Yes, guys. Car Wow is, if you want to know, compare between car race and whatever, just go to their channel and then just search the car and put Car Wow. Be like the Lamborghini Aventador versus the BMW M5. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it now. That was fun, guys. Yeah, Car Wow, they deal on racing, and bro, there's no way you won't watch them if you want to know more about cars. You want to know the power, you want to know the speed, you want to know which will win. Maybe you and your peer group are just getting a heated argument. The only place you can get these kind of results or competitions is from Car Wow's channel. So they are the ones, and the one I use a lot of the time on my videos. So thanks for the support. Thanks, they haven't copyright strike me, So they are my top 4 on this list. And guys, let's go to top 3. From top 3, a lot of you guys won't know. I know you know top 2 and top 1, but from top 3, a lot of you guys won't know. And note, this is my list. Whatever name I didn't mention is personal preference for myself. All that, guys, I really don't watch them. I do watch them, I know them. I'll give names after the end, like after my top 1, so you should know that. Okay. So my top 3 is the bull.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the back cart. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing.
I think I have a favorite guy now, a top 2, because I no longer I don't know how I'm gonna say it. My top 1 has been my top 1 for years. Don't worry. Stick to the end of this video for you to know my top 1. And make sure you subscribe. Yeah, my top 3 is the Bolaka. Bro, this guy, he has an amazing story and I love him. He has a connection with my top 1, so I've given you the hint already. So yeah, amazing guy. He's tall like me, he's 6'9". I don't really 6'5" or 6'9". I think I'm taller than him. If he's 6'5", I'm 6'6". We're like a so yeah, as I was saying, amazing guy, guys. When you watch his content, he's either motivating, making you laugh, cracking you up, doing interesting and funny things, guys. This dude he's a father, he's an accountant, he's a 9 to 5 YouTuber. What wouldn't you call him? Someone who does this and also still keep it with his job. You have to give him the accolade. He deserves it, and he's growing. I don't want to say much. Let me just say little without saying much. Yeah. So let's go to our top 2. A lot of you guys, I don't know if you are going to expect this top 2. Yeah. But my top 2 is Matt Armstrong. Yeah, I've been like back to back watching this guy for the past year. Love he deal on what is it called? On restoration content, restore cars, damaged cars, and bro, there's no time I watch this guy I don't learn something. And this guy, watching him give me this what is it called? Confidence, yeah. When you have the ability to want to do something yourself, confidence to work on cars. Definitely one day I'm gonna modify a car myself. Yeah, thanks to these guys. They give me the confidence, and they work as a team, bro. They work as a team, make content fun. Even working on cars is not boring. No, not the one you want to know something and it's boring. No. I watch these guys for fun. I watch these guys to chill. Their videos do come out every Sunday, and I watch them to chill, to relax, to laugh, have a good laugh, see new experiences, have it that, oh, if they can do it, then possibly I will be able to do. This is why my top 2 and top 1 are my favorite, because they came from nothing. Like, bro, they came from nothing, and they are trying to achieve the same dream, or they have this passion for YouTube just as I have. So we are relatable, and I look up to them a lot. Mostly for Matt. It's not easy for, if you know his story, when the COVID-19 hit, and then he had to quit his job, though he was doing YouTube, BMS, and had some accident and stopped that and came to car. Just he worked on his own car, and at the end of the day he went viral, and he doubled down on the hustle, and that's how he's here, having a supporting girlfriend. I don't know if they are married now, but let me know in the comments, are they married? I don't really know. But that's it, guys. His girlfriend is Hannah, and he's been able to build an empire. You can see I discovered him from that what's it called? Marcus Rashford Rolls Royce, and bro, ever since then I've enjoyed his content. Even the days he doesn't upload on Sunday, I go back to rewatch a lot of his content, guys, and it's fun. If you don't know him, you should check it out. You can see his videos and pictures on here. Yes, for my top 1 and my number 1. You see that chair? That chair has been there for over 5 years. I've been watching this guy since 2018, 2019, when he bought the Aventador. I think he was at he just newly crossed 1 million subscribers. I wasn't new then. Or was that year when he hit 1 million? Can't remember, but he newly bought the Aventador, and then you guys have already know who I'm talking about. I would call him the ambassador of Lamborghini. This guy loves Lamborghini. Bro. That he bought 2 Aventador and customized them to the mass. Bro, I don't know. You have already known, and I want you to comment before, like, tag on this timeline and comment that, oh, this person. Guy, I'm gonna give you a thumbs up. Like, I'm literally gonna shout you out on my next video. I don't know why I'm just delaying, but my top 1 is literally the Shroud Man. Yo.
I tell you what, no matter what, every single year it always comes down to the wire. The car is done.
Bro. This guy is the only guy I have watched and I cried when his dad died. Oh, when his dad died, like I felt so emotional. I felt it like it was my brother. It was like I haven't met this man once, definitely obviously. But bro, his story amazing. His story is amazing. His story is amazing. If you have listened to his motivation, the growth, you see that he grew gently. Back to the Bolaka. Bolaka was his boss. They do make this joke that he sacked him. Nah, he didn't really sack him. James was advised by Bolaka, since you are doing this thing and you have passion for it, just go for it full time. Leave the job. And he took guys, listen up. Every one of us are in that position where we think, should we take this decision or risk? Took a very big risk and thought, if I could get a Lamborghini at my young age, I think it was 25 or so or thereabout. If I could get a Lamborghini, which is the Lamborghini Gallardo, the OG guys will know this, then he will go viral. And boom, he got a Lamborghini Gallardo and he went viral. From then he started the content. He did a lot. The OGs of the Stradman will know this. He did a lot. He went snowboarding with the Lamborghini. Bro, when I mean a lot, he wrapped this car a couple of times. Like from nothing, he started building this channel, grew it to this point where it is today. Built a $2.something million, I don't know if it's 2 or 3, has a Koenigsegg, and as of today update, which for you to know, I just finished watching his video like 2 or 3 hours back before making this video. Is about selling his Koenigsegg for $3.1 million. Bro, why won't you love this guy? Like, and the Bolaka was the one who has him in his house. There's a lot of crazy. This story is so crazy that I love him. Like, I love him literally. If I would want to see him in person, like, dude, thanks for the achieving the childhood dreams which we have dreamt. One day I'm gonna achieve mine, but thanks for achieving it. Like when he bought the Bugatti, it was a special day on the internet. It was a special day on the internet. Bro, like, overjoyed for him. I was happy for him. When he bought the Koenigsegg, it wasn't that special. But when he bought the Bugatti Veyron, which I think he's going to buy the Chiron one day, but he's keeping it low key. When he bought the Veyron, it was like, it's like his first entry into the hypercar, and boom. The review was massive. He had a lot of friends back then. I don't know what's happening with him and the Utah crew guys, but hope they are good. The stuffing, what's that other guy name? I can't remember his name, but yo. So that's why James the Stradman is my top 1. I know you're surprised I didn't mention other guys. I don't want to call names, but I'm just telling you, these are the people I watch. I enjoy watching. When I see their content, I can't even scroll past it. I have to be like, oh, is this a recent one to watch? Mostly James the Stradman, then Bolaka, Matt Armstrong, Kawao. Shout out to Kawao majorly because I use your videos in case you are seeing. Thank you. And Supercar Blondie. Thank you guys for blazing the platform. And for those channel I didn't mention, YouTubers, no shade room. Yeah, I love you guys. Like, honestly, I watch you guys. I will consume your content. But this is my own opinion of myself. Yeah, thank you for watching to this part of the video. No, I want to know, who is your top 5? Tell me, give me the list of your top 5 YouTubers, the guys whom you watch the most, and then That's it. Peace out.